it's Jess. How are you? Yes, you. How are you? Are you good? I hope so. I might put the light on, that might work better. I just wanted to show you a really quick, easy way of curling your hair if you can't be bothered and have no time. So, you kind of flip your head over and collect all your hair at the top of your head, like this. And you make a ponytail. It doesn't matter what the ponytail looks like. You collect your hair into a ponytail. I'm kind of bending down and doing a semi-back bend right now, but okay. The camera is not positioned. Ooh, maybe you would want to get all of your hair. So collect all of your hair. Basically, you're tying your hair up at the top of your head. So it looks something like this. Hell yeah. You're just going to curl the very ends of your hair, and trust me, it looks good. What I like to do is I like to just section it in half. You just grab a section of hair. Actually, before you do that, you should spray it with a heat protectant spray, because frying your hair is not fun. You just begin by sectioning it off, so just grabbing a section about that thick, I don't know, it can be thinner or thicker if you wish, and you're just going to hold it, curl it and hold it for about maybe 20 to 25 seconds. Well, that one was 20 seconds, so yeah, around 20 will do it. And you're just going to go around and do that to your whole head. Done, you can take the elastic out and reveal your curls. Just be careful that it's not too tight so that it doesn't ruin the curls. Then you can do a little hair flip if you wish and comes out looking so pretty. I like to separate some of the curls after I do this, and also go through and see if there are any bits that didn't curl as well, and then I'll just give those a little bit of a curl. But that's basically it, and it looks so nice. And what you can do after is spray the top of your head with a little bit of dry shampoo to give it a bit more volume. I actually recently bought this dry shampoo and it smells so good. It's called Rose Gold and it's by Batiste. So I'm basically just going to be spraying it here, so like the top, and just working that through my hair. And that already has given it a little bit of lift, and it just makes the top just look nicer, you know? And I will be locking that in with a little bit of hairspray. I like to use flexible hold hairspray so that it doesn't get too stiff, because I don't like it when they just don't move, you know? I like it when it's flexible and is able to move. And that is pretty much the completed look. It's really easy, it doesn't take too long at all. And yeah, I just really like how it looks because it's kind of loose curls and it's not too tight or, you know, made up. It's more so you can just wear it wherever, whenever. And yeah, I really like it. I'll show you the back. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Signing off. Bye, everyone.